Switching to Linux? Pop! OS and Ubuntu are two of the most popular choices, but they're more different than you think. Smash that subscribe button and let's find out which one fits you. Ubuntu is the most popular Linux distro, massive community, universal support, but comes with Canonical's controversial snap packages. Pop! OS is built by System 7.6 on top of Ubuntu cleaner, faster, zero bloatware with their brand new Rust-based Cosmic desktop launching this December. The desktop experience. Ubuntu uses standard GNOME, looks good but can feel sluggish. Pop! OS rocks the new Cosmic desktop environment built entirely in Rust for speed and security. It's snappy, memory efficient, and features built-in auto-tiling that actually works without extensions. GPU support, the game changer? Here's where Pop! OS destroys the competition. They offer separate ISOs for Intel, AMD, and NVIDIA graphics. The NVIDIA version ships with proprietary drivers pre-installed, no terminal commands, no driver hunting. Ubuntu makes you install these manually. For gamers and creators, this alone is worth the switch. The snap problem. Ubuntu forces snap packages on you. Even typing apt install Chromium secretly installs the snap version, taking 91 megabytes versus 1.7 megabytes for the regular version. These snaps are slower, create virtual file systems that clutter your system, and the Snap Store backend is closed source. Pop! OS gives you choice. APT packages by default, Flatpak support, and snaps only if you want them. Performance reality check. Pop! OS boots faster, uses less RAM, and stays responsive under heavy loads. Ubuntu ships with pre-installed apps you'll never use. Pop! OS is minimal, you add what you need. Who wins? Where? Ubuntu, best for absolute beginners who want maximum compatibility and the largest community support. Pop! OS, best for gamers, developers, NVIDIA users, and anyone who wants a clean, fast system without corporate bloat. Bottom line, Ubuntu is safe and established. Pop! OS is faster, cleaner, and respects your choices. Both are free, test them live before installing. Like this video, drop your distro choice in comments, and check the description for download links. Peace out.